Hey G, back me up. I'm gonna teach you how to do this taper. After setting the bald line, you wanna create 3 sections in the back of the head, how I am doing. And then you're just simply gonna connect all the lines together. And with our 0 guard open, we're gonna go ahead and create another section about a finger width, making sure our lines are even and consistently. Then with our 1.5 guard open, we're gonna go ahead and create another finger width, but now we're gonna be flicking out so we don't create a harsh guideline. And with our 1 open, we're gonna go ahead and follow right underneath that line to make sure we start blending everything together. Now you wanna close the guard and you wanna just keep flicking out that line. This is super simple and super easy. Once you learn the steps and the system, with our wall half guard, we're gonna continue flicking out that bottom line, making sure that we're flicking in a C motion. Because if you don't flick out how I am doing it right now, you're gonna just create harsher and harsher guidelines, raising that fade higher and higher in the back. I like to play with my lever midway, my lever open, and my lever close just to flick out that line. Now we're gonna close the lever and we're gonna attack that half that we created with the no guard lever open. We're gonna connect it to the 1. With no guard lever open, we're gonna just continue flicking out that bald line that we created with the trimmer. And now we're gonna close the lever and just attack that line right at the bottom until it comes off. And going back to our 0 guard from Stylecraft, we're just gonna go ahead and continue detailing until we get that crispy, blurry fade, making sure we line up around the ear, keeping it super natural. Most barbers will push this back, so when it grows back in, it grows back in super ugly. Now doing the lever midway, we're gonna continue flicking out this line, and then we're gonna open up the lever all the way and go up just about a centimeter up, and then we're gonna close it, going right in the bottom, making sure that line is fully blended out. Family, and this is my own razor right there, or you could DM me, but this is the final look booking appointment or a one-on-one class in LA. Got my boy sliced and diced.